Today, we'll be diving deep into ESET Password Manager, a password management tool that promises to make your online security more convenient and accessible. Let's start by talking about the setup process. The installation was smooth and easy, and within minutes, I had it up and running. However, the initial user interface felt a bit cluttered, which could confuse some users who are new to password managers. But once you get the hang of it, navigating the features becomes a lot easier. ESET Password Manager supports all the essential features, like securely storing your passwords, generating strong passwords, and autofill for websites and apps. The password generator works well, creating random and strong passwords, which is great for keeping your online account safe from breaches. The autofill functionality also works smoothly in most browsers. However, I found that the browser extension wasn't always as reliable as I would have liked, sometimes failing to autofill login details on less common websites. Additionally, ESET sync functionality is limited. It doesn't sync across as many devices or browsers as some other more established competitors. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Security is one area where ESET shines. With its encryption features, your passwords are stored securely. However, I did find that ESET Password Manager doesn't support two-factor authentication, 2FA, for every account, which might be a deal breaker for some users. Customer support is another point of concern. While the support team is helpful, response times can be slow, and there's a lack of detailed online resources for troubleshooting issues. If you're looking for extensive guides or forums, this may not be the best option. In conclusion, ESET Password Manager is a solid tool for keeping your passwords safe, but it does have a few drawbacks in terms of reliability and advanced features. If you're just looking for a basic password manager, it could work for you. But if you're after something with more extensive features and a broader device sync range, you may want to consider other options. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.